I'm not decent. One moment.
$30.
Oh, hello. Come on in. Come on in. Welcome to our grand suite on board the.
I can't. You're really sure, really? Yeah, no.
Navigator of the seas.
Mm-hmm.
As you come in, we're jumping right into it because we got things to do. As you come in, here's the front door. We need some light. Okay, yeah.
The usual.
Here's your front door, or your entrance, I should say. Right by the door is, of course, your switches to give you some light. Gotta love electricity. Right next to the door over here is going to be our dry wet bar area. So you have a little bar section. They gave us some fruit. I ate one grape, it wasn't sweet. Your water. What kind of water is this?
Evian. Fancy water.
And then you have your coffee maker here, and there's some shelving. You have some storage back here. Here's where I got my robe. Some hangers. And then on this side, you're going to have some more storage with your life vest.
Your whole life can't stay in there.
The ship is only, it's only a 4-night cruise.
5.
4.
5.
4.
4.
There you go. So ample storage, and there's also more. Oh, this is where the fridge is. Yeah, your fridge, your cooler is right here.
More storage.
And then more storage, more drawers. I'm not opening that. Shelving, you get the point. Right here, we have more storage with a mirror.
That's storage enough for 4, because it's a quad.
Yeah, enough. For 4 nights is more than enough. We need this for 4 nights.
True.
Right here is your seating area. Will be your seating area. You have your pull-out couch, so this does turn into a bed. We don't have somebody to put on it, so we'll not be pulling it out. That's what she said.
That's what she said.
And you have 2 chairs, your side tables, your coffee table, which is going to be Damien's work. Even though he's supposed to be off this week, but it is what it is. Here's your TV. That will be for the living room.
Yeah, come out and swivel.
The living room with storage. Not really. Same as last time, just a whole new bottom. Okay.
PlayStation.
Decoration storage. So like I said, this is for your living room and your bedroom. Voila.
Boy, I need some WD-40 to scream.
So you have our bed here, which can be separated by a curtain. Choosing the curtain. And on the sides, you're going to have more storage. So more drawers, your side table, your switches.
Quanda.
Oh.
Why my coffee day look like you don't have no pants?
Your light switches and your knobs and stuff. Your bed. On the other side, it's gonna be the same thing, basically. And another side table with your phone. Listen.
Cordless. Hello. Room service.
I'm going to the toilet. Come with me.
Stink.
You have more outlets and switches over here. I'm not even gonna try to figure out what they are for.
No USB-C, no in here.
No, that's an old ship. Over here is going to be your desk area, which is going to be my so-called setup. But yeah, more outlets and storage. Like
all the outlets.
Oh,
more
storage.
And the safe.
The safe is in it. Oh, that's where it
The
is.
safe is the smallest thing in this room.
And another one on that side. And more drawers for more stuff. Gosh, drawers don't work properly though. And then we have a burnt chair.
Bono.
That's all right. It's still sittable. So that is the living room, bathroom area. I'm gonna take you to the
Living room, bedroom area.
That's what I said. So that is the living room.
Why you never have to change it?
And now we're gonna take you into the bathroom.
The bathroom. The toilet there.
Damion to tell you about the bathroom. Let's talk about
The toilet is there.
it.
The mirror is there.
Dede.
A double sink is here.
Dede.
What you put on this? Toiletries, I mean, perfumes, colognes. A double sink.
More storage.
More storage, yeah. And upgraded bathroom amenities.
Oh, there you go.
Oh, Marlin goats.
Do y'all have behind the mirror storage in your regular rooms? Hello, more storage.
Medicine cabinet.
This is crazy.
And then the coup de grace. Coup de grace. The top, tippity top is the tub. Sitting area.
It's cold. You can't even sit there when it's wet. Because it's cold.
Upgraded amenities. This look like a Baphomet.
I don't want that looking at me.
I want a cow.
A cow.
It's a cow. Tell me what y'all think this is. It don't look too right.
Leave a comment below.
Leave a comment below.
There's an adjustable shower head in there.
Adjustable shower head. And of course, y'all see it already. It's a tub.
Let's see how big this tub is.
Hold on, I want this.
I want this. I'm pretty sure that's for plumbing in case of something goes
Oh. Check out try the tub. Don't drop. Oh, it fit you.
Surprise, surprise!
Surprise, surprise.
And you have some handrails here as well to help you get up.
Check it out. The handrails never come in handy.
Next scene.
No, you're keeping that in there.
Okay. The tub is high, so when you come out, you gotta be mindful.
Yeah, this is not accessible in no shape or form.
That's for sure.
Definitely not. This is a step over, step in, all of that.
Also, the lip here is not as high as the standard rooms, but it's a lip.
Yeah.
By the way, guys, you do have a bottle opener in the back. Is it a bottle opener? What the heck is? Yes, it is. It is a bottle opener, right?
Yeah.
Why is there a bottle opener? Your mother messaging you in the bathroom, which is strange. Off to the balcony, sir.
Le balcony. This one is a double balcony, of course. This is a grand suite, so it's a little bigger balcony than usual. On this side of the balcony, that door, oh, chilly. This side you have your little sitting area for your breakfast, lunch, or dinner. And then on this side you have your lounger. Your lounger for one. So from this end, this is how it looks. Extended balcony. And the ocean. Oh, it's one access to the balcony. So the bedroom is there. The balcony is here. Balcony access.
So basically, you get a ocean view window room with a balcony, because when you're in bed,
A panoramic window.
when you're in bed, you're just having a window. Yep.
This is nice. It's a good look. It's a good look.
Thank you.
So for this room, you get quite a number of amenities. One of them is this nice little feel-good folder. Feel like I can take it.
You better not.
But they give you a list of all the amenities that come along with the room. And here they are. You can pause to read them, but let me go through a few of them. You have access to the suite lounge, continental breakfast in the suite lounge. You can actually order your dinner to have it on your balcony. See, complimentary in-suite dining room service. You have access to the sun deck and other things.
Yeah, man.
Other things. But yeah, this is a nice little look. If you are interested in booking this room, you can definitely hit my brother up. I'll leave the information in the comments below. He'll help in your booking process.
Why are we staring at
I don't know.
Well, that's it, guys. Thanks for watching this room tour. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, you can go ahead and leave those down below. And you will see us in the next video, whenever that is.